Hello friends, it's Jessica and welcome to this week's Thrifting in 2023 video. So today's Goodwill trip was a little bit of a doozy. I did spot a lot of interesting items to share with you guys from today's trip. I only purchased 2 items for myself, but they were items that I had on my thrifting wish list for a while now, so I was really happy to find them. I will share with you what I purchased at the end of today's video, and I will also include a thrift find that I picked up a few weeks ago from a different thrift store, so I decided to go ahead and add it in with today's Goodwill trip. If you are new here, I do mainly go thrifting for home decor, things that I can use around my home, and I do like to pick up gifts for friends and family. If you enjoy this type of thrifting content, I would love to have you as part of my YouTube family here, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button on your way out. I do post new videos every week on my channel, and let me know what your favorite item was on today's trip. I really enjoy talking to you guys down in the comments. So I came across this entire collection of Hummel plates that I wanted to share with you guys. They were all still in the boxes and had their certificates. Most of the plates were $4.99, and this one right here happens to be from my birth year, which is 1980. And all of the plates that were in the yellow boxes right here were all $5.99, and I'm just going to take a peek real quick just to see what they look like. So I spotted this tumbler that said cheers to Jessica's 40 years, and by the looks of it, it would look like something that I personally donated, but I didn't. I thought it was too coincidental, so I had to share it with you guys. I did actually celebrate my 40th birthday 3 years ago, in case you're curious. I spotted this adorable little jewelry box and I thought I would share it with you guys. I thought it was so cute. It looked like a little miniature dresser with that mirror on top.
but only after you give Bobby a kiss. That I don't know. Are you hungry? You look hungry.
So the two items that I purchased at Goodwill today were these beautiful black bowls for $1.98 each. I loved that they were black and they had this organic kind of shape to them. So I also thought that I would share with you guys a really easy recipe that I have been loving lately. So right now I'm putting together one of these Buddha bowls. Like I said, they're very easy to make. So for the base, I have some steamed jasmine rice, and I did put a couple of tablespoons of rice vinegar in the mixture of rice. And right now I'm just adding some fried tofu that I seasoned with a little bit of garlic, salt, and pepper. Then I'm gonna add some avocado to the side here. I also added some shredded carrots and some cut up cucumber. Then I added some red radish around the side here, and then I also added some red onion. I also put some hemp seed right on top, and the dressing is what really makes this recipe so awesome. It is a tahini based sauce, and I will have it below in my description box in case you want to make it. But basically all it is tahini, lemon juice, sugar, soy sauce, sesame oil, and then I did add a little bit of water just to thin it out a little bit. Oh my gosh, this is so good. You'll have to let me know if you try it. And like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, I did purchase something from another thrift store that I popped into a few weeks ago, and I thought I would go ahead and share it in today's haul. But I found this awesome vintage like bamboo suitcase slash purse, whatever you want to use it for. It was pretty small, but I thought it was so adorable. I could not pass it up. It was $4, and I thought it would look really great in my spare bedroom. I have a lot of wood tones in there, so I thought it would mix in nicely with some of the decor that I have in there. And as you can see, I have it down here on the bottom of this garment rack. I didn't want to hang it up on a hanger. I didn't want to put any stress on the handles. This thing looks pretty old, so I want to keep it looking nice. So that's going to be it for today's Goodwill shopping trip. I hope you enjoyed seeing what I found. If you're new here, this is Peanut, and she is my thrift haul inspector. She's at the end of every one of my videos. She did approve of my purchases today, and we both want to say thank you so much for watching today's video. We hope it inspires you to go out and go thrifting for yourself. You never know what's waiting out there for you. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you next week with a new thrifting video.